The Middle East produces approximately 4.5 to 4.7 million tons of dates annually. Our home country, Oman, alone produces nearly 400,000 tons of dates every year. But 25% of these Omani dates end up getting wasted because of poor quality, spoilage, or low demand every year. 40,000 to 50,000 tons of date seeds are discarded each year. Most of them just end up in landfills. Palm leaves are often open burned after harvesting, accounting for 3 to 4% of Oman's total emissions.
Meanwhile, the Gen Z walk past dates in a supermarket and grab a chocolate bar instead. So we asked ourselves one simple question: what if nothing from the date palm was wasted?
That's how Fasila was born. Fasila means the beginning of something new. Our mission is to ensure that every part of the date palm is turned into something valuable.
So, this is our website, fasilaoman.lovable.app. This is our vision. These are the sign-in options. And moving on, first of all, we have our date products. We offer a variety of date products like date chocolates, date biscuits, date energy balls, date caramel, date bark, and date muffins, date syrup. These all are innovative products and are sugar-free, providing you tasty and healthy food. Suppose you require date sugar, with which all our products are made, and is a healthy alternative for the normal sugar. You can also read the ingredients and benefits before ordering it, and then you can choose your payment method. Now, moving on to date skincare. Dates and date seeds have anti-aging properties. Therefore, we created many cosmetic products using the dates and the date seeds via cold press method. As you can see, these all are the products which we have made, like date seed face serum. If you want to buy this, just press like last time and choose your quantity needed. You can also view the ingredients and its benefits. And as we said, we provide all of our products in biodegradable packaging, like palm leaf basket, which is made up of palm leaves that go to waste, earthen clay pot, encouraging traditional artisans handcraft, and Fasila biodegradable box. This box is made up of 100% date seed powder, invented by us. So, ready to taste tradition? Join Fasila, the largest e-commerce platform in Oman, connecting farmers in the sustainable way. Now, moving on to the farmers part. As we told you, Fasila is an e-commerce platform which allows farmers to sell fresh dates. We connect farmers and allow them to sell their fresh dates directly to the consumers. As you can see, these are the variety of date farms that Oman has. For example, Nizwa Date Market, Birkat Al Mahous, Suwaid Farms, Ibra Date Farms, etc. Now, let's take Al Mudayrib Farm as an example. As you can see, as soon as you click on a farm option, the map appears like the location of the farm and it shows the available date types. After that, if you want to buy, you can choose a variety of date flavors and fillings and normal date as well. And then you can choose the packaging and then enter the weight in kilograms you require. And then the payment method. This is how you can buy normal dates from our store and fill your desired fillings inside it. Now moving on, as you can see, this is Suwaik Farm, and in Suwaik Farm, the types of dates available are Khalas and Kharat. And now this is Ibra Date Farms, and Ibra Date Farms, the type of dates present are Fard and Khalas. This type of dates are given to let you know what dates are available in that particular farm, because there are many types of dates, and according to the type of date required, you can order from the respective farm. Our website is available in both the languages, English and Arabic, so that the native people and the common people can understand. And these are the credits accumulated after you deposit a certain number of date seeds in the date bin as explained. Right now we deposit, for example, 20 date seeds. Therefore, you got 20 credits with which you can buy all our date products.
Next comes our date bin. It is a Raspberry Pi powered bin where consumers deposit date seeds and receive credits in return. The bin uses an ultrasonic sensor to measure the seed level, giving us accurate information on how many seeds are collected. It also features an energy efficient LCD display to show information and reward points. Low quality dates, which are still rich in natural sugar, are transferred into date sugar and then into bioethanol, a renewable fuel with a high calorific value of approximately 30 megajoules per kilogram.
We then turn them into innovative products. For example, we use the premium quality dates to make viral stuffed dates with flavors like Biscoff, chocolate, and pistachio kunafa to attract the Gen Z crowd, so that they don't look at dates in the same plain, boring way every again, as well as look after their health.
To ensure that more number of people support this initiative, compostable bioplastic date seed cups will be supplied to coffee shops. Once customers are done using the cups, they can take it home and simply place them in their soil, which will decompose in approximately 180 days.
These seeds are then cold pressed into date seed oil, which can be used in skincare and cosmetic products via cold press method, and date seed bran, which is rich in fiber.